Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making Spanish wild rice with beans. I'm going to use this wild rice. It's so flavorful and full of vitamins. Let me show you how to make it. Come on.
I have 1 cup wild rice, which should be enough as it doubles up after cooking. I will cook it as per the package directions. Now I'd prefer butter instead of oil for this recipe. Now we will just saute the garlic for a few seconds. It should not brown. You can also use red onions. It's been a crazy weather outside with gusty winds. Let me show you while the onions are cooking. Looks like a storm coming this way, right? We have some severe thunderstorms predicted. Crazy winds with angry skies. Let's check on the onions. Now here I have used my choice of veggies, but you can use any that you like. These are cooked beans and cooked corn. You may also add some broccoli and zucchini if you like. Lightly toss them for a minute or so. Taco seasoning will make this dish very appetizing. Now this is smoked paprika, but you can also add regular paprika if smoked paprika is not available. Gently mix to integrate the flavors. This is the cooked wild rice that I cooked as per the package directions. Now since everything is all cooked, we will gently toss the rice to heat it through. A good garnish brings the dish alive and makes it more presentable, so don't hold back. And now for a final ingredient, lime juice, to make the rice more delectable. Mix well and the wild rice is ready to serve. I can't wait to taste this colorful and vibrant rice. Absolutely perfect. Serve with any meat, seafood or tofu. Thank you for watching.
If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. Bye.